Hey, this is Kirk Marsh. This is your Photo Tip Friday for KelbyOne.com. Right now I've got Adam, the strongman, right here, and we have plenty of amazing shots to get. They're epic because they're cinematic, because we've got all these elements. It's pretty amazing. Shoot low, shoot high, shoot fast. Enjoy what you're shooting because it's for you. It's wonderful. This is the best thing ever when you get to shoot your own things. All the different angles. Try as many things as you can. Wander around on the floor. Change your light around or just change the way the person's looking. Here, look right at me, Adam. It's gonna change everything. Just shooting any different light. Go look over there. Great. For more tips like these, check out my new class on KelbyOne.com. Woo!